Hello everyone. Welcome to Phone Transformer, the channel where you can learn how to use your phone in smart and easy ways. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get WhatsApp call history on your Android device. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your Android device. You can find the app icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Step 2. Tap on the Calls tab located at the top of the screen. This will open a screen that shows all your recent and existing call logs. Step 3. If you want to view more details about a specific call, just tap on the entry. This will open a pop-up window that shows the date and time of the call, the duration of the call, and the option to call back or message the person. That's it. You have successfully learned how to get WhatsApp call history on your Android device. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.